What's next on this thing? What I want to do is start it up and listen to it run because it sounds so cool, and fiddle around with the air fuel screws on the carburetors to get it low speed tuned. But I think I need to take this gauge pod off and fix this screeching tachometer. It should start up this time. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take that gauge pod off that bike, but if I need to, what I'm going to do, this is the gauge pod off my yellow bike after it took a little spill. You can see it's in pretty rough condition, but the tachometer never had a problem on that bike. I'm running this electric drill in reverse. It doesn't make the screech. I'm going to hook the other one up here on the bench and spin it up, and if I can't easily fix that thing, then I'm going to take this one apart and use the mechanism from in here. I'm going to have to transfer the face from the other one, the face and the needle from the other one to this one. Not a huge deal, it's just kind of a pain. Not a fun job. Why is it not screeching? That's not the result I was expecting. What the heck? What's the fix for something that's not broken? Very strange. I guess I'll take it apart and lubricate things and put it back together and put it back on the bike and keep my fingers crossed. I really don't like screwing around with these things at all. It looks like it needs to be lubricated in this area, kind of on this inner part and then the outer part. That bell doesn't really spin. So it's all down in that area. I just shot some cable lube in there. I don't know if it's going to do anything. It's very lightweight. I went ahead and took the speedometer out of this thing also, so I can lubricate this mechanism. I really don't know what the best kind of lubricant is. 3-in-1 oil? Engine oil? I'm not sure. This is all back together now. I left all this stuff hanging in case I have to take it apart again. Please, no squealing tachometer. The TSS, or Tach Squeal syndrome, seems to be rectified at the moment.